Hello children, welcome to English Honeycomb lesson. Today's topic is a gift of chappal. In the previous video, we have seen a video related to the summary of this chapter. As I have promised in the previous video, I am here with the summary of comprehension 1 and 2. So let's discuss the summary in this video. Now the summary of comprehension 1 is, Ravi and Meena were visited by Mridu. She left her slippers at the gate with a pair of slippers, which is old and weary. Ravi then took her to the backyard. Behind a thick bitterberry bush sat a kitten in a torn football sipping milk from a coconut shell. They secretly kept the kitten as it might annoy their grandmother. Ravi commented on double standard of elders. He added that it was difficult for him to manage milk for Mahendran the kitten. He concocted a story behind the name of the kitten. He told that the kitten is a descendant of Pallava lion, the emblem of Pallava dynasty. He had seen at Mahabalipuram. He further added that it was a descendant of Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, and he kept on adding that cats are worshipped in ancient Egypt. He had admiration for himself during the conversation. Then they heard a screeching sound of violin played by Lali, who had not learned it properly. Now let's come to the second comprehension. The summary of second comprehension is, Lali was learning to play violin from her music master, who was bald-headed and with an old-fashioned tuft. He was wearing a gold chain and a diamond ring. Lali tried to learn notes, but her tracks were annoying, whereas melodious tunes came out master's hands. The attention from her was diverted. A beggar was at their doorstep calling from the back veranda. He spread a cloth to settle himself under the neem tree. Ravi asked him to find another home for alms. Beggar pleaded for generosity from the ladies of the house. He requested to allow him to sit until the burning heat of the sun to cool down, as it could hurt his already blistered feet. Seeing his pathetic condition, the children decided to provide him slippers. They found shabby-looking sturdy old chappals and gave those to him. He was obliged and moved. Actually, those were slippers of the music master. When music master came out and searched for his chappals, he called Lali to help. Rukumani and Lali were embarrassed and looked around suspiciously. The mother inquired from the children if anyone around the veranda. She got angry when she learned that the slippers were given away to the beggar. They confronted by the argument of exemplary sacrifice by Karm, who gave his precious belongings. Mother rebuked them by saying that he gave away what was his own. She hurriedly went inside to bring Golu Mama's slippers. Everyone knew as that would be temporary relief to the problem, as Golu Mama would disapprove of their acts too. This is the summary of both the comprehension. Let's move further. Now I am here with the question and answers from your textbook Comprehension Check, page number 22. Question number 1 is, what is the secret that Meena shares with Mridu in the backyard? Answer is, the secret that Meena shares with Mridu is the news of finding a kitten. It was kept in the backyard. Question number 2 is, how does Ravi get milk from the kitten? Answer is, Ravi gets milk under the pretext that he will drink it because he is hungry. He even drinks some milk to show. Then he comes to the kitten with the tumbler and pours milk into the coconut shell. Question number 3 is, who does he say the kitten's ancestors are? Do you believe in him? Answer is, he says that the kitten's ancestors are the Pallavas king of the Mahabalipuram, Rishi cat. I don't believe his story. Question number 4 is, Ravi has a lot to say about MP Punnai. This shows that options are, He is merely trying to impress Mridu. His knowledge of history is sound. He has a rich imagination. He is an intelligent child. Which of these statements do you agree or disagree to? Answer is, I agree to. He is merely trying to impress Mridu and he has a rich imagination. Now question number 5 is, what was the noise that startled Mridu and frightened Mahendran? Answer is, a creaking sound from the window startled Mridu and frightened Mahendran. Now let's discuss the comprehension check question answer from page number 28. Question number 1. The music master is making lovely music. Read aloud the sentence in the text that expresses this idea. Answer is, the music master's notes seem to float up and settle perfectly into the visible tracks of the melody. Question number 2 is, had the beggar come to Rukumani's house for the first time? Give reason for your answer. Answer is, no. It was not the first visit of the beggar to Rukumani's house. She tells Tapi he has been coming here every day for the last week. The beggar also admits, I have kept my body and soul together on their generosity for a whole week. Now question number 3 is, a sharp V-shaped line had formed between her eyebrows. Where does it suggest to you about Rukumani's mood? Answer it. It suggests that she was getting angry. So these are the question answers from the comprehension check. You just note it down in your notebook and prepare notes. Other textbook exercise I am sharing with the PDF. So you just go through it and read the lesson thoroughly. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. If you have any query, feel free to ask. So stay home, stay safe.